Marshall Ford Battery Plant has cleared a major legal hurdle in the Michigan Court of Appeals. It's part of a long-standing court battle over that project, and News 8's Josh Sanchez has more on what that ruling means for the plant.
The ruling comes after the Michigan Supreme Court instructed the Court of Appeals to view this case through the lens of a Northern Michigan case. However, the lower court says there were notable differences, with little changing its ruling. It's a significant hurdle as the project is still under construction. Marshall Mayor Scott Wolfensberger calls it a relief.
Every time you go into a court, you don't know exactly what the outcome's going to be. So we were confident that we had the proper legal footing, but you always want to make sure you're prepared for the unexpected.
In a ruling published on Wednesday, the Court of Appeals said the committee for Marshall, not the megasite, did have standing to seek judgment related to the Master 425 agreement. That agreement set up the Joint Planning Commission between the city and Township of Marshall back in 2022. The court said that the agreement outlined that the JPC could be administered with either the city or township zoning and planning acts. The city would later approve a rezoning request submitted by the Marshall Area Economic Development Alliance. The ordinance also added appropriations for more than $290,000 in services for the proposed project. While the Court of Appeals said the committee against the megasite had standing in their case, they were trying to void the rezoning ordinance, claiming that the city had given away its authority to changing zoning as part of the 425 agreement. However, the court said that wasn't the case, highlighting that the contract specifies that zoning amendments and definition changes would not change the agreement unless consented to by both the city and township, and either municipality's zoning and planning acts could be used.
With the previous board, we were moving in lockstep. We both wanted this type of development to come.
Wolfensberger says the act adds clarity amid some friction with new leaders.
And so with the new board and trying to work through some of their new positions, against development, this puts us in a much better place to be able to move together on the same footing, at least, where we understand what the mechanisms are, how those tools work, and how we can move forward together.
I spoke with a member of the committee for Marshall, not the megasite, over the phone Thursday. They say the ruling is frustrating and didn't agree with the court's argument, which they said wasn't aligned with the state Supreme Court's direction. Appealing to the Michigan Supreme Court is a possibility. The committee is expected to meet with attorneys today to discuss possible next steps. The Marshall Township supervisor had no comment on this case. In the Kalamazoo studio, Josh Sanchez, News 8.